Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on how to order memory books. There are a lot of options, and I'm going to show a couple of them. The first thing I'm going to do is make sure that I'm logged into my ACI account in the Flex software. Please note that this number is not a valid account number. If you need help finding yours, please reach out to customer service. Then I'm going to go ahead and select the Books and Albums catalog, and then Memory Books. We offer two types of memory books, a hinged version that helps the pages lay flat. This is the option for spreads. And then the non-hinged version is a magazine style book. I'm going to go ahead and select hinged. All memory books require a minimum of 20 pages, which is 10 pages front to back, and our hinged memory books have a maximum number of 70 pages. All memory books must start with a single page on the right and end with a single page on the left. Do not start it with a spread. We offer many sizes for our memory books, though for this video, I'm going to order an 8x8. The first thing to order is the cover. We offer a number of cover types as well as different templates for those covers. I'm going to select the hardcover style 4 and then choose my background colors, black and silver, under product selections. Now, I also want to put a photo on the front, so I'll need to add my image folder. Now, all of these photos are from Sarah Seeley of Seeley Photography, located in Dubuque, Iowa, so thank you, Sarah, for letting us use your images. Next, I'll click and drag the photo I want to the front, and that's it. I've created my cover. This text here will not populate on the file since I didn't type anything in the spine, so I'll select Add to Order, and now I just need to add my pages. The first thing to order is going to be a single right-hand page, but I do have some options here. I'm going to select a signature page and then choose a font. Now, when I select Christie, the font automatically turns to Arial. That's just because I don't have it downloaded and installed in my computer. The font will actually populate when it's printed by the lab. And I'm ready to add this to my cart. Now I can add a spread, so I'll click and drag here and add to cart, and then another page. There are some options for single page styles, and I'm going to go ahead and select Style 5. Right now, I have my background style set to be a photo background, but I'll change that to brown, and then I can change the screen here. I like this at that 25% black. And now I'll add my other 3 images. Now, this image is populating smaller than I would like, so I'm going to click on the image, zoom it in a bit, and then adjust the cropping. And add to order. Now I'm going to add the rest of my pages. I have been jumping around a bit, but the way that I can see whether or not I've used a photo is by this little card emoji right here. So I'll select another page template and then just keep putting my pictures in. All right, I've put in all the photos I want, so I'm gonna go ahead and review my order. To review the book, I have a page starting on the right, and then we're going left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, and doesn't look like I counted my pages correctly. If I submit the order like this, I'll end up with the spreads printing front to back rather than as an actual spread. I'm going to have to move this individual picture down by clicking the menu bar on the left and then dragging it down. So now this spread is good to go. So we've got that left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And it looks like I only have 19 pages. So instead of trying to find another picture, I'm just going to end the book with a solid color page to solve that. To do that, I just need to select blank, solid color page, and choose my background style. I'm going to go ahead and go with black. And then the last thing I need to do now is go to my cart and select my product options. I can add UV coating, HD6 color upgrade, some page texture, page gilding, paper type, and color correction. Now this is all a matter of personal preference, and I'm going to go ahead and keep with the default settings. We also offer a presentation pouch. Over here is special instructions. Depending on those special instructions, an order may be sent to customer service before it goes into production. And then here's the reference text, and that's just a name for the order, and I'm going to call this Seeley book. Then I'll initial here at the bottom to say that I understand that ACI does not review orders before they're sent to print, and that I have the right to print this. I'll select complete and send order, make sure that my account information is correct, select my shipping method, and enter any promo code that would apply for a memory book. Please note, promo codes are applied at invoicing, which is the end of production, and it will not accurately be reflected on this screen. And then I submit the order, and that's it. Once you submit your order, you should receive a confirmation email within 10 to 15 minutes. If you don't receive a confirmation email, or if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-728-2722 or reach out to the Help Center. Thank you so much for watching our video.